All young children love playing with pasta dough. My little sister Giulia is no exception. I hope she will not spoil the whole dough, because that's our dinner tonight. Orecchiette, an iconic pasta fresca from Apulia that reached out all the corners of the world. If you want to cook with us, get ready with the ingredients!
Ciao a tutti! Orecchiette is a traditional pasta fresca from my region, Apulia. It's easy to make. The cost is a very little. It's fun to do. Typical orecchiette goes with the tomato sauce, but today I wanted to change. I will cook them with the baking cherry tomatoes. Let's start! Step number 1. There are only 2 ingredients in this pasta dough: semolina and water. No salt, no oil, no yeast, no egg. Nothing at all. Semolina and water.
Let's prepare our dough. Place the semolina on the kneading board. Create a small volcano in the middle and fill it up with lukewarm water. Mix. You cannot use flour, as the pasta would be too soft and it would break apart when cooking. Knead with the help of your palms. If the dough is too hard, just add more water, but if it is too sticky, add more semolina. The kneading takes around 10 minutes. You will understand that the dough is ready when it feels smooth and with no lumps.
Let it rest for 15 minutes. Step number 2.
When you make orecchiette and they are still fresh, you need to let them dry on a wicker tray like this one, or a clean cloth, or just in the corner of the kneading board. Scatter some semolina to prevent the fresh orecchiette from sticking onto it. Take a chunk of dough and cover the rest to keep the moisture inside. And now, let's start making the shape! Here comes the hard part. At first you might fail, but after a while it will become easier. Now with the dinner knife, push the dough down while dragging it towards yourself. This will stretch and curl the dough around the blade. With your thumb, invert the shape and voila! You have your orecchiette! Its shape resembles that of a little ear, which in Italian translates as orecchiette.
Making orecchiette is a skill that you develop over time, and then you can make them faster and faster. We can try different knives.
As you can see, the type of knives does not affect the way the pasta turns out. Oh no, Mom, not that knife! That's an overkill!
Do you like my orecchiette? Subscribe, or I come in your house. Step number 3.
Let's start preparing the condiment for our pasta. Start by cutting the spring onion. Then cut the cherry tomatoes in half. In an oven tray, pour extra virgin olive oil and place the tomatoes on top. Make sure the tomatoes are facing upwards. Some salt, some pepper, and only a little bit of sugar. Sugar is used to balance the tomatoes' acidity. However, we don't want them too sweet. Sprinkle some spring onion. Mom had some homemade pesto. She diluted it with oil and put it on the tomatoes. If you don't have pesto, just put fresh basil leaves on top. Last but not least, pecorino. Time to bake! Oh no, not the broken oven again! Keep half of the tomatoes whole and blend the other half.
Step number 4.
Now it's time to cook the pasta.
When the orecchiette float, they are ready.
Now add your whole and blended tomatoes inside.
Step number 5, magna magna moment, my favorite moment. I prepare for me, very nice.
It looks delicious!
I want more cheese. And now, yes, it's buonissimo. Do you like my orecchiette? If yes, give me a like. If you want to watch more video about my recipe and story with Toni's home, subscribe and push the belly. And don't forget that every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!
My siblings and I are learning to make orecchiette. This is a skill that in the families from Apulia, children learn from their parents when they are little. Subscribe to learn more Italian recipes with a new video every Thursday.
Bye!